What's happening, folks? Gerald here, aka J from 90, coming at you with another reaction, another OJ's reaction, and this is dedicated to one of my favorite patrons, Mike. And this is dedicated to one of my patrons, Mike. This is the song "Love Train," and it's kind of got a theme for what it should be uploaded with today, and it's just spreading the love, and I love that. And it's one of my favorite OJ songs too, and it's the one that I've grown up with. But again, it's on the list of I've never seen them do it live, and here we are. And not only are we gonna watch them do it live, this is on the midnight special too, so it's gonna be real live and real good. Even though the Soul Train performance that I did too was live as well and really good. So, but I don't midnight special. They just bring it a different way on that midnight special. So before we get to it though, I need you guys to go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Now, without further ado, this is the OJ's with Love Train live.
Join hands, start a love train. People all over the world, right? Join hands, ride on, start a love train. The next stop that we make will be England. Tell all the folks in Russia and China too. Yeah, now. Don't you know that it's time to get on board? And let this train keep on riding on through. Well, people all over the world, don't need no money cry. Start a love train, don't need no ticket. People all over the world, join hands, ride this train. Start a love train. All of your brothers over in Africa. Tell all the folks in Egypt and Israel too. Yeah, now. Don't you miss this train at the station. 'Cause if you miss it, I feel sorry for you. Well, you all over the world, sisters and brothers, come out. Ride this train, come on, you all over the world, ride this train, come on, some love train, let it ride, let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Get on board, you all over the world, ride, join hands, ride on, start a love train, people all over the world, ride, join hands, ride on, start a love train, people all over the world, ride, join hands, ride on, start a love train, going over to India. Come on, right now we gonna ride this train, y'all, going all around the world, making love around the world. Come right now, train. Come on, say it, you all over the world, y'all, join hands, ride, start a love train, play the train, people all over the world, ride, join hands, ride, start a love, hey, ride, join hands, ride, start a love train, people all over the world, ride, join hands, ride, start a love train, ride, join hands, ride, start a love train, on, ride on, yeah, ride on, start a love train,
Yeah, I know the other two members were Walter Williams and William Powell, and I know that William Powell is the one who passed away, and he passed away like early, like I want to say during this time. I think 1977. I read, and so I know in general, like he didn't live that long into the success that the OJ's became, and just from from what I know, it seems like they really hit it in the 74, 75, 76 reign and everything. So it's one of those things where it's like you really got to value the videos that you can get of him. And yeah, it's just great seeing them get it, seeing them move like that, seeing Eddie Laverse so young. I'm still not used to that. So yeah, just really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed getting to hear these songs I've known forever live and see performances with them of the guys so young and all that too. So just been enjoying this. So yeah, hope you all have been enjoying me do them. Hope you all been enjoying the reaction. If you have, please go ahead and like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. In the description below, you'll find all of my social medias, as well as you'll find my Patreon. If you like to sponsor requests or tip me, anything like that, that's all in the description below. It would be very much appreciated. And then just lastly, thank you all again for even taking the time to push play on this video today. That means so much to me, and it goes a very long way. And beyond everything else, you all, please take care of yourselves and each other.